Either. The baby. Esikani Mr. Ngoni. Ndirachi. Chichunakidza. Hapana. Kuve chichunakidza. Hapana chikunakidza. Ondidzire pana. Ngoni ndomatsaura anoita girlfriend yako. I'm your girlfriend, remember that. Anyways, Mr. Ngoni, I just wanted to tell you that I'm pregnant. Haisi yangu. What do you mean haisi yako? Haisi yangu. Ndoti nditi yangu isiri yangu. Mr. Ngoni, mundikwanire handidi zangu maiwe handitomboda yangu kuzinzwa. Take back your words. Handitomboda kuzinzwa izvozvo. Uti haisi yako iwe uri wakanana neni. Don't you know that I was a virgin? Wakutaura nhasi kuti haisi yako manje pesa apa all this time you forced me into having this and now I have it. You're saying it's not yours. Ukwane zako. I hope you're joking. Tell me kuti you're joking. Face yangu itonge rusekerere. Dada haisi yangu chete. Iwe ukwana tete zvandikutaura kuti haisi yangu. Iwe John, Judas, Matthew, Mark vese vakomane vavo handivese vangori vako. Pamwe ndiye one of them ndakawati inini no. John, John ndomuzira kupi inini? Iwe ndiwakutondizivira manje. I've been faithful to you Ngoni, but still you want to act as if hausi kuzwa zvandikutaura nezvako. Musi watikatanga when we did this for the first time, waita kuti mane kids, you forced me. You even told me kuti zvoni you wanted to marry me, you would pay my bride price, and now today you're saying kuti as I say, what kind of a person are you Ngoni? You boys are all the same. Why would you do that? Ungotaura chete nyarara ndati haisi yangu nombe dai watoenda kuna baba wacho panoswera zviwesta energy yako uchintaura zvinhu zvisina basa. Haisi yangu simple fine ndakakumanikidza haisi pressure ende iwe hando wakangobvumawo futi kuti tingoenda waitodawo shamwari haingosi yangu futi still. Ngonika, let me tell you something, Mr. Ngoni, or whatever you call yourself. My guy, you are going to hell. You are going to bend to hell. And I will be saying hi in Diriku heaven. I'm going in the second Diriku Mafra Mepo. You are going to bend. And I hope you know the side that you piece of steak because of this, what you have done. You are refusing to take responsibility of this baby. Okay, fine, I'll tell you what. I'll take care of the baby myself. And then you know what? You won't be a part of it. I hope many cases come into your life. This is not yours. Like, what the hell? We are all criminals. Still, one or the other, you don't Judas, and John, or whatever. It's not mine. Goodbye. Anyways, I am going. You'll never see me again. Take a good look at me because this is the last time that you will ever see me. Have a nice life. Hi. Hello. How are you? So this is Tanya from Zviri Mudzimba. Well, I was just doing a monologue somehow. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it was good. Anyways, I hope you guys are happy. You have to be happy. Like, you have to smile more each and every day. Do what makes you happy. Life is too short to be sad. Smile. People say life begins at 40, right? But nowadays, to be honest, like you're saying at 40 or even before that, it's like each moment, each second counts. You have to be happy all the time. Be happy and make sure you spread that happiness to everybody around you. Anyways, it's Tanya from Mudzimba. So I have come with some updates. Season 2, episode 20 was the finale. It was the last episode of season 2. Season 2. But season 3 is coming. Oh, you guys trust me, believe me, it's going to be fire. It's going to be lit. It's going to be, volcano. I don't know, piece of fire. So it's going to be volcano or whatever. So you guys, it's coming and it's coming and it's coming. You guys get ready to be blown away. andika. Very soon, don't worry, so we are just doing, some skits to keep you guys entertained. I hope you're enjoying them. Season 3 is coming very, very soon. Just be patient, okay? And also, I hope you're staying safe. You guys are good. Enjoy the holidays. Comes once in a year anyway, so enjoy it. Be with your loved ones, be happy, make them feel happy because of you. Actually, life is good when you are happy, right? But it's great when others are happy because of you. So spread the love, spread the happiness, spread the smiles. Let everyone see you smiling, and they might also smile, because you never know who that beautiful smile of yours saves. I'm actually depressed, but just one smile of yours, it will actually make their world more brighter, their day much more beautiful, more than you ever know. It's like I always try by all means to make people happy. If it doesn't make so, uh, yeah, I was telling you about the update on season 3, right? Season 3, oh, you guys don't expect anything, because it's going to be different, okay? It's going to be different. You might, we're not going to have my expectations, they pass us. So if you're going to expect, then expect not big, but great, great, like very great, very huge, hugely great. Eh, chingezi, chakaya nebar, chikadzokera nebara futhi, chikadeliverwa nebar, but chingezi still, now what? But you guys, you just have to expect something that you have never expected from season 3, because right now we are working on it, and release manje, you guys will see it was worth the wait. So all we are asking is just be patient, okay? Be patient and get ready. And just be patient, take a lean back, relax, and you enjoy season 3 much more better. So until then, I want you guys to be happy, okay? Because I am happy. I'm even smiling. This is how you smile. I'm even smiling, so you guys should also smile, right? You guys should also smile, uh, like I do. I always smile, always try to make people happy each and every time. Because actually, smile. I read that smile and is happiness that is right with you all the time. A smile is happiness that is with you all the time. It's right under your nose, for Christ's sake. So if you are looking for happiness, it's right under your nose, like the mouth. And also, speaking of the mouth, you guys, in this world, tinozoti kune swedwe makuru. So but I read with this one. I know kuti iwewe emimi sira emakuwa kune vamwe vanhu, because a mouth a mouth can destroy a lot of things. It can build and it can also destroy. And it's like I have big ears. Anonzwa chaizvo. Oh, kana wangu ukatoba nemawaves evamwana achipinda munzeve mako, masound waves. Big ears dzinonzwa. Big eyes that see. The animals mahomba anoona, but have a small mouth. Because in as much as we are all handsome and we are all beautiful, once you open your mouth ukataura zvinhu izvi zvisina dzoro, people will actually see kuti hapana, musoro makangozara mvura, hapana chimborimo, hanzizvo paunovhura muromo ndopawanoona kupenga kwako. Saka if you guys are going to open your mouth, make sure kuti you are smiling for people, because a smile can hide a lot of things. Don't say words without thinking. Don't say things that you might regret, because trust me, mashoko havhikwi, asiyana nechibhakera havhikwi. So when you open your mouth, make sure kuti utaura zvinhu zvine dzoro. Make sure kuti you are putting happiness in somebody's heart. Make sure that you are making someone smile because of those words. When you open your mouth, make sure you're making someone smile. And make sure that you are eating chicken and rice. So for Christmas, zvemakora izvozvi zvatoconfused nokuti achazoti Christmas takudye takadzidziswa kubika mutsine. Asi Christmas arogeka sadza nemutsine nemutsine futi. Oh well, eat healthy, stay healthy, Be safe. Wait for season 3. It's going to be explosive. It's going to make you smile.
Hands win.
Okay, so you know how we are all going to have a new year, right? Well, new year, new things. So have a very great new year and the rest of 2021. So new year, new things. That's when you will see. January tiri moimo tichita edu yatinenge tichita tichifara, making you people smile, and you forgot about the disease. You forget about the disease. Yeah, the disease tend to take people's smiles away. But Zviri Mudzimba tiripo kuti tiite timusekerere kubva makangano disease naked disease haina kana pressure. So we'll be there. New year, new things. You even see the new me. Like the new me, I'm doing change. Oh yes, so ndautengerwa bvudzi nyowani nehembe nyowani, and then ndobva ndaita munyukama, a new person, nehembe nejuzi nyowani futi neheti nyowani, ndo ndaita a new person. So new year, be new. Okay, all the goals, all the dreams that you have had, make sure that you are chasing after them, and along the way you are making people smile. You know what they say, natsa kwawabva kwaunoenda usiku. So in the next year, you guys, in fact, the next year, good. Forever starts today. It starts right now. It starts right now. It's like make sure that whatever you do, each second counts. But no, 2021, you're just flowing. Everything is just going according to your plan, according to what you want, according to all the things that you have planned all these years. Make sure that the 2021 counts. Okay? Fine, because I know you might say, rakakanganiswa nezakawanda, but you make sure the 2021 counts. Because what I understand is nobody can stop you from being you. Okay, nobody can stop you from your dreams. Nobody can take away those dreams, those goals, those visions. Because at the end of the day, if you lose those three things, if you chase anything, you end up chasing nothing. So you gotta have dreams, goals, visions. But make sure with your dreams, your goals, and your visions, they don't harm others. They don't hurt others. Don't do things that will hurt others. But instead, do things that will make other people happy for you, that will make other people adore, admire, and cherish you, and fancy you, even fancy you. Like me, for instance, I eat. Oh, I love eating. I love eating so much, and everybody will be like, "Oh, Mr. Ngoni, I like your eating style." I mean, the style, maybe chua ndinotsenga nematads kana nemawendo, I don't know. But anyways, people are always saying, "Oh, mukaona mungona asiri kudya, something is wrong actually." That's how they know, because that's me. Eating is healthy. Handingosimba noti munozana inini ndiri chidya mafuta chisingakori, ndakafana nebanga. Although I don't understand, not banga harina muromo. But what I'm saying is, you gotta have dreams, visions, and goals. People have to respect you, and respect is something that is very much earned. You gotta earn that respect from people. You don't just take it, or you don't demand it, but you don't do things by force. You don't take respect by force. You actually earn it. It's like everything that you do along the way, make sure that you are earning people's respect, because respect lasts longer. Respect and loyalty. Okay, make sure with everyone let them call you Mr., Miss, Sir, Madam, because they respect you. Each and everything they do, make sure is so that they can respect you. And also, you can't make everyone respect you, but you can choose to walk away if they disrespect you. If they disrespect you, walk away, because all you need in this life is respect. Okay, so you make sure, you guys, you get respect, you make other people smile, and you smile. Charity begins at home and ends where it begins. It's like you make sure you start with yourself, and then your family, your friends, your relatives, everyone else. Make sure pese panongokona zisolese nongokona they just smile. So happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and a happy New Year. Christmas box of it.
About season 3 again.
Season three. Uh, okay. So season three is coming. Really, it's coming very soon, and it's going to be explosive. No, grenade, grenade, boom. It's going to be very much explosive. So you guys, you better watch out because your minds will be blown away by season three. It's coming. New year, new things, new stuff. You even notice the difference. Come, I mean, I'm noticing the difference, and I hope you notice the difference too, because it's going to be different actually. So you people, expect it. New year, new things. New you, new me, new everything.
Okay. Panono ngumuresa Musa Munosiani hanzi hesi Baba Tanya Alice Musani. Hi Baba Tanya.
Hi, Miss. Hi, Alice. Hey, so Nigeria and Miss. And this one's the Miss around the Misses. But then it's hi, ma'am. How are you doing? And hi, Mr. Musa. What's up, my guy? How are you doing? I hope all is well with you.
Peter Mbadzo.
Mr. Peter, how are you, sir? Um, enjoy this festive season.
Amanda Julia Mayindidzi.
Ma'am Amanda, Madam Amanda. Ah, I hope you are making people smile there. Let them see good is Amanda Kafura, but just to say second.
Valentin Zimbizi. We love you, Batanya.
Vale, from the bottom of my heart, and I already head, from the bottom of my heart, I love you too, Vale. Okay? I love you so much. I love you more, actually. More than you ever know. I love you so much. I love you all, guys. You guys, you are the best. You guys are breathtaking. That's what you are.
Lenmo Funyura. Thank you, Makanyanya. I can't wait for season 3. Watching from Joburg, Bosberg.
Okay, Mr. Lenny. Give me makanyanya. Makanyanya, heavy mdara, jibaba, pizza, makanyanya, big time, my get. Aramem chisimbiza mdara, season 3, toya soon, my get. Mzazo dibega, kudizoni. Mongo damba makanya, so rindira, kuya, don't worry, jibaba, my get.
Miriam Batanya Murise.
Ah, hi, Miriam. I'm good. I'm good. I hope you're fine, and I hope your family and friends they are all smiling and happy, and they're all fine too.
Hanzi nawacho chihera. Hai Baba Tanya. Hanzi nemurume wangu season 3 usakonzerese.
Chira ndiwe chira. Oh, kana muri michira mataura akandaterera. Ndaterera, I'm listening. Ndaterera ndobva ndazwa nekuti maitanga ndichiyelele chaiwo chaivana chera ndoziva maiwe ndovaza ndatomborwa nepoto paya saka I've listened. Handisi kukonzeresa, handichakonzeresa vachera.
Hanzi nalenmo WhatsApp Baba Tanya.
I love you too. I love you more, Mr. Lenmo. Be happy. Be smart. Always smile.
Kumaitanya varipi takamirira season 3.
Season 3 iri kuya. Oh, she's coming. She's kind of busy. Like,
Vane flu.
vari kuya maitanya. She's coming. She's coming. She's kind of busy, so. But you will see her soon. Season 3 is coming too. Somewhere Rungo Yamatanya season 3 Irikuya. They're both coming. They never disappoint.
Hanzi na Samantha. I can't wait to see you Batanya Uchurowa na TK. Love you, Zviri Mudzimba family. Zvikanzi na Terry. Is Vanessa off the market? Vanessa met.
Oh, you can't wait to go on this row na TK. Ndichingokuda hangu akadaro though don't row with Stu. I love you so much. Do you know how tall that guy is? He would beat me to not even to death too. Hell. Whew. Now that don't stress. But I always smile, right? I always smile. Ah, well, TK. Panguva yaziteronda panatotanga kutoita stress ndotofunga murwere wakacho. Ah, it's the worst imagination ever. Ah, well, anyways, good.
Also Nateri is Vanessa off the market.
Vanessa off the market. Mm, no. Chambontaisa matm but no, I think matm wachiri ku handizvo vachiri kuorder but I don't know. No, no, not off the market. Never off the market. So,
Unonzi naandrew batanya ndaingonamata kuti musamuke because bororo ranga rakapenga.
Teddy, ndishiri kurwadza mwana. They can't even be. Oh, chijega chichirwadza pandiri bvudzi. Mwiri wese uri kudzimba saka ndovangu vadotondiuraya maiwe. Ndikatosvika kwacho ndatotenga masleeping tablets ndobva ndarara. Gore rese ndakarara maiwe. Tere ndichiurwara izvozvi body temperature yangu iri high ndosaka ndaatopfeka juice nekuti iri high. Handisi kumuka. No, I'm not going to wake up.
Nahazel maitanya batanya mukadzi nemurume here kana vasiri ngavatorane vo ndini ndadaro.
Then,
Uyu ndihazel.
Hazel, I'll make you a deal. Ukauya kunoka ndikauti hanzvadzi yangu iyo unouya kunoku nenzou 3 dzekuti tonobvisa seroroko tobva tatoed my time andika. Thank you. Ndoziva kuti uchaya nadzo. Thank you so much. Ndoziva kuti uchaya nadzo.
Hanzi nacharles babatanya ndemunogerwa.
Ndiri babatanya. I was in the hospital. Okay, saka handisi kugerwa zvokumhanya. Ndikagerwa mbwa tono ndabho manje obva watotanga kuda ndichekeresa. Ndebvisa. Babatanya vesa ndozvinotodescribe babatanya vari muchipatara for 10 years.
Kana wacho chiera again babatanya, you are a great actor. I can't wait for season 3.
Oh, thank you Vachera, thank you so much. Don't worry, it'll be my manje. So come on, like I said, new year, new things, and I'm excited for season 3, you guys. I am happy for season 3. It's going to blow your minds away like grenades. I mean, it's not a blow away, but can't wait for it too, for you guys to say it. But I know you guys, you always love us, you always support us. So this is it from me, you guys. Be happy. Most important, be happy. Keep smiling. Spread the happiness to everyone around you. This festive season, enjoy. And the Christmas box, I have the box I just Christmas box. Goodbye.